Did you prefer homemade bread or you like to buy it in the store? So I have my 1 kilo of flour here. I'm going to make use of my dry yeast. I'm going to use two sachets. As you can see, one sachet is contained of 10 grams. So I'm using 20 grams of dry yeast. Can you please let me know in the comment section the reason why you prefer homemade bread or why you prefer buying your bread from the store? Then I'm going to make use of my baking powder. I'm adding one sachet of baking powder. If I went to the market to buy anything at all, I always make sure that I get at least 1 kilo of flour. And I added my salt to taste. And surely, you surely need your sugar as you want. If you want more sweet, I can add more sugar. Then the next thing I will surely do is to add my warm water. But in this aspect, I added a little bit of milk. Then I warm it together. You can use condensed milk or thick milk or light milk, any milk of your choice at all, because I really want my bread sweet, but not too sweet, but sweet bread. You know the vibe of agege bread, although we can't find agege bread to buy here. So all you just need to do is to do it by yourself as they make it by yourself. My children love it whenever I bake bread for them. They will be like, Mama, we want that Nigeria bread. So I will surely go on and make it for them. Yeah. If you are mixing your flour and you see that it's too soft, add a little bit of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, not bread flour. You can use it for bread, anything at all. So it's called all-purpose flour. Yeah, in Italy it's called tipo de farina. So all for any type of thing at all, like pizza, bread, anything you just want to use for, you can go on and use it. So after mixing it, it's supposed to be like this, not too strong and not too soft. So I will place it in my nylon, then I will add just small clothes and wait for it until it rise. So this is after 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So and voila, I have this I have this swelling flour. The next thing for me is to mix it together again, just to give it another mixture, and I'm done. So I'm going to dip my hand inside a vegetable oil, then I'm going to be taking it as I want, just to, shape it as you want. You can decide to shape it straight or shape it this way. And after that, this is what I have. I let it stay for about 10 minutes after. Then I place it in my oven and I was trying to put some my butter. That's my butter there. And this is the outcome of my bread. And yeah, I really love this bread so much. You can decide to take it, just make your tea, you're good to go. You don't need bread, you don't need what's it called? Egg. You don't need egg. Just take your tea and warm it, you're good to go. I bet it will be so hot. Please don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.